Now we're going to apply a design variation that will add two new codes to form the basis of a retaining system, which is going to be on the first part of our design on the north side or the right side as we drive down Road 1. To do this, we're going to make sure that you've got a cross-section open around about chainage 80. Once you've got your cross-section open, you're going to right-click somewhere between the right footpath outer and the right batter code. So just in the middle there, just right-click. We're going to hover over Add Variation, hover over Insert Section, and then click on Insert Section. Now we're going to complete the form as shown. Once you've completed the form, you should have the following values. We have a start chainage and end chainage from 0 to 100. The side that we're adding this new code is the right hand side of the template and is after the RFPO code. The new code I have prefixed with R to indicate it's on the right hand side. That shouldn't matter because the software already knows that it's on the right, but it's nice to make sure that we're getting this on the correct side, followed by TW for top of wall. Now you could add whatever you want as long as you prefix it with R. The width of this section from the RFPO code will be 0.5 meter at chainage 0 and 0.5 meter at chainage 100. The section itself will have a slope of -2 over that 0.5 meter, and that's at both chainage 0 and 100. Plot flag yes means that when we plot cross sections of this particular string, this code will be provided with an offset. Once you've got these values set, click Apply. You can see in the cross-section window we now have that very small 0.5 meter section, and in the drawing environment we also have that 0.5 meter. Let's now add the second entry. We're going to do exactly what we did before, which is to right-click between the batter and the last code, which is top of wall. We're going to go Add Variation, Insert Section, Insert Section. Then complete the form as shown. So again, let's have a look at these values. We've said again the same chainage range between 0 and 100 on the right side after the new code we just created, which is RTW. We want to provide a brand new code, which is RBW for bottom of wall. The width is very small because this is essentially a wall face. We've only given it a very, very small width, but nevertheless it needs something. We can't leave it at 0. The software will find it difficult to interpret two codes that are sitting directly on top of each other. So it's always important to have just a very small offset. The vertical in this case has been chosen, which is a vertical distance, and we've said -1, which will put the code 1 meter below the RTW code. And again, we've set plot flag to yes. Let's click Apply. You'll see that the software has now positioned that code onto the cross-section for us. In addition, we also have that code being placed into the design on the drawing. Again, if you want to make changes to the entries you've just made, you can right-click wherever you want in the cross-section window. You can then click on Open Section Design Data and review the entries that happen to be occurring at that particular chainage. Close that form down. And don't forget, you can also open the Design Data form. The entries that we've just created have been added in there as well, which you can edit. Close the Design Data form. Go ahead and review Model Viewer to see the state of the design.